We are pleased to show you 2012 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Your new ride is just a phone call away.